Alex. So in today's video, I'm going to be another Halloween makeup. This is not really like a makeup look. This is just kind of like inspired makeup. I'm going to be doing the Ouija board like inspired makeup. This is what I have so far. So if you guys want to see me how I do this makeup, I also have stuff on my chest. And yeah, just keep on watching. And also before I hop in, make sure you guys subscribe, hit that big thumbs up, and yeah, let's hop right into the video. So let's get started with the makeup. So I already have my hair up with my little headband. Also, I'm wearing a bandeau right now because I know my dad's going to see this. I'm wearing a bandeau. I'm not naked, so I can do artwork on my chest. So first for the makeup, I'm going to take my little handy dandy Elmer's glue and I'm going to glue down this eyebrow. So you get my Elmer's and glue and brushing it through my hair so I can brush all of the eyebrow hair upwards. Also, this is like my first time gluing down my eyebrows for a video, so I'm really hoping that this looks good. Even if it doesn't, I'm gonna put like foundation concealer over it, but I'm just going to apply. I'm gonna apply a bunch of glue, make sure the eyebrow hair goes up. Also, I have my dog in there, so if you hear like moving around, that is why. And then I'm going to take a little spoolie and brush the hairs up. Also, this eyebrow doesn't really have a lot of hair because I cut the ends off, so this should be a lot easier to cover since there isn't a lot of eyebrow hair. Then the Elmer's glue and then going back over it. So apparently if you turn to the side of like your eyebrow on this side, you should not see like no hair. So I'm trying to get everything down. I tried to film this video before and I totally messed up on the eyebrow, so let's see if I can do it again. And brush all the hairs up. I'm just going to let this layer dry. Now this eyebrow is pretty much glued down, I'm going to take my air sponge and set it. Just taking that on my beauty blender and patting down. You don't want to like sweep it over the eyebrow, you just want to pat it down. Now the powder is all applied, I'm just going to let it sit for a couple of minutes and let it dry. So now I'm going to take an orange eyeshadow to put over the eyebrow so it cancels out the darkness. Since my eyebrows are really dark, I'm just going to take the orange and kind of like go over the powder. You can use like a cream like contour or like a cream product that's orange, but I don't have no cream orange, so I'm just using a eyeshadow. So now to cover, I'm going to take my concealer to the back of my hands, and then I'm just going to use the same brush that I used, the orange, and just apply the concealer all over this eye and also the eyebrow. Because this whole area is going to be like white out, so I'm just kind of applying the concealer all over the place. We're going to blend it out once it's all applied. Slowly blend out everything. It's okay if it doesn't really look good because we're going to go over everything with foundation. So I'm just blending out everything. That literally I have like one eyebrow that actually looks so weird and so realistic. So that's what the eyebrow looks like so far. I'm going to take my Wet n Wild black eyeliner. I'm just going to draw the little Ouija little symbol over this eye. Kind of like a heart. So I'm just gonna trace that out over this eye. So it should look something like that. I'm just gonna kind of go over it. Now I'm just going to take my foundation and just apply that all over my face and also down my neck and on my chest. I'm going to pump it out onto my face. I'm just going to take my Beauty blender and blend it out. Be really careful with the black eyeliner because we really don't want to mix our foundation with the black eyeliner. I'm just applying this all over my face and blending it out. Now for the small part, I'm going to take my white face paint and fill it all in. And it's okay if it gets over the eyeliner because we're just going to go back over everything with a black face paint. It's just a rough draft. Now in with the black face paint, I'm just going to go back over the black eyeliner that I just did, that on an angle brush. I'm going to take my little elf eyeshadow. We're going to do the eyeshadow on this eye. So first I'm just going to take this dark brown and put that into my crease. Just taking that onto a big fluffy brush and applying that to my crease. This would be perfect. It's just going to be a transition shade for the black. And then I'm going to take the black in this eyeshadow and just apply that all over my lid and under my eyes. So this does not have to be perfect. It's going to be kind of like a little bit of a messy look, and also under my eyes. And just blend everything. Also blend out the black to your outer like crease or outer V, whatever you want to call it, like to your temples kind of. I want to take my black eyeliner from White Wall and just line my eyelid with the black top and bottom. Black on this eye, do my waterline. And also my tight line. My lid. Now I'm just going to apply my black lipstick that I got from the Halloween store and just apply that to my lips. And it's okay if it's a little bit like messy. I'm going to take the black eyeliner again and draw yes on this side and no on this side. Now I'm going to take black face paint and draw like little swiggies coming down this eye. So it looks like little like black tears. But again, it can be messy. Now moving on to the neck. So first I'm just going to write Ouija right here under my neck. It looks a little sloppy right now, but we're gonna fix it. also kind of hard to draw backwards. I'm just gonna kind of fix it. It's okay if it's a little sloppy. And then I'm just going to take the black and paint in my neck. So now I move the camera down, so now we're going to move on to the artwork, onto the chest. So first I'm just going to draw both sides are just going to be like all black and just be kind of messy. This little spots are going to be for the sun and the moon. I'm going to do them on the other side. I also want these spots to be pretty big. So now I'm just going to take my eyeliner and I'm just going to start writing the alphabet. Okay, that's what it looks like so far. I know it looks a little bit messy. Try to do it backwards and can't really like see. So this is what it looks like so far. So now I'm just gonna draw 1 through 0 right here. Seven, 8, 9, 0. What it looks like so far. I know they look a bit sloppy. I'm not really the best of writing backwards, but that's what they look like so far. So now I'm going to take my concealer and draw in the sun with the concealer. Add for the moon. I'm also going to draw a little star right here. I should draw another one right here too. And just draw like little squeeze, whatever you want to call them, squiggly lines down around the Ouija. Actually, before I'm done, I'm going to take some white face paint and go over the concealer so you can actually see the moon and the sun a little bit more better in the black. I don't know why I did concealer, you can't really see it, but oh, this is not looking like a moon anymore. There we go. And then to the sun. And then the little sun lines, or whatever you want to call them. I don't know what they're called. Just the little lines around the sun. So I hope you guys like this makeup look, and yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.